Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding affirmation. The most important thing is to have a clear intention and then take action in alignment with that intention. By harmonizing what you think, what you feel, and what you do, positive affirmations will always benefit you. Now, positive affirmations and positive thinking without gratitude and action may get you positively nowhere. So, here's the formula. Thoughts plus feelings and beliefs plus inspired action equals outcome. Now, close your eyes and get clear on what you want. Then ask yourself, what are the thoughts I need to think to create what I want? And what would it feel like if that was true in this moment? Then, once you can see it clearly and feel it deeply, open your eyes and take inspired action. Remember, what the mind can conceive and in your heart you believe, you can achieve. Make it a great day.